Chapter 3, Part 30. Another great and good man once observed, Jalal is a great saint and a sovereign, but he must be dragged forth from among his disciples. This was reported to Jalal, who smiled and said, if he can. Soon afterwards he added, why then is it that my followers are looking upon with spite by the men of the world? It is because they are beloved of God and favorably regarded by him. I have sifted all mankind and have fallen through my sieve, excepting these friends of mine. They have remained. My existence is the life of my friends, and the existence of my friends is the life of the men of the world, whether they know this or whether they ignore it. And, well, we're looked upon differently by the more or less worldly minded in all these things. So the opinion of others, got to get past that.